Hi everyone, Kat here. This here is a big sheet of dried seaweed. This seaweed here, we call it in Thai Algae. This, you're not going to be able to find this here at any of your local Asian grocery stores, I don't think, because they're very hard to come by. But if you ever go to Laos or Thailand, you'll see these. And bring back a bunch because they're delicious. Anyways, what I have here, like I said, is dried seaweed. And I'm roasting it. I'm roasting the sheet on a pan, no oil, nothing, just toasting, roasting it until it's, you bring out the aroma of the seaweed as well as cooking the seaweed. Once it's toasted, what you want to do is scrunch it up. You want to scrunch it, crunch it, crush it until it's powdery. You want it to be very powdery like this. So separate them, all the fibers or whatever the seaweed is made of. Seaweed, I'm not sure what it's made of, but yeah, so you want to go ahead and crunch it until it's powdery. Okay. Okay, guys, next step here I have is some garlic. I am frying up some garlic. You want to fry the garlic until it's golden. Once it's golden, you want to quickly remove it from the heat. And you want to now go ahead, pour it into our seaweed that we had already crunched or scrunched up till it's powdery. Let's go ahead and dump all this in. Want to go ahead and mix it. Gonna add in some MSG and salt. That's all that it is for the seasoning, just MSG and salt. Then you want to go ahead and mix it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my hand to make sure it's thoroughly all mixed. So just crunch, mix it. Just like that. So you have this very nice, garlicky, umami, powdery seaweed. This is now ready for some sticky rice. And voila! Seasoned seaweed with fried garlic. And that white crystal that you see there is the MSG and salt. That's going to give it that very nice, savory, umami flavor. This is now ready for, like I said, with some sticky rice. Seasoned seaweed. Seaweed powder. Hey guys, I got my sticky rice to go with it. This is how you would eat it. You can eat it as a snack, breakfast, anytime you're hungry during the day. This is what you would eat. I mean, how you would eat it. So take the rice and just grab a little bit like that. And that's how you eat it. Guys, so good. This reminds me of my childhood growing up. My mom used to make this. Craving this, so when I saw my aunt say that she had some, oh, I had to order it from her. So good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I know you're not going to find this here in the United States, but if you ever visit Laos or Thailand and you ever see sheets of seaweed. Buy some, bring it back, and make it. All right? See you next time. Bye.